These are my Coral babes. I love these boots. You may have these boots right now in your collection, but a couple of years ago, I added my own little glitter bling to my coral boots. But this time, I want to do something just a little bit different to my babies. I want to really take them to another level, and these are the ones with the wings on them. I love these coral boots. Yes, I am a coral angel myself, and you may be too. So I want to show you babes how to take your boots to the next level. And we're not going to be using red glitter this time. We are going to be using glass. We're going to use glass and a little bit of silver glitter. Oh my goodness, look at that right there. Your girl been walking a green mile in her boots. I got to fix that. I got to get that off of there. That is unacceptable. We're going to transform these babies and make them look totally different. We're gonna add a little bling to them for the winter season. It is December, it is Christmas. If you have these boots and you are a country girl and you want to take them up a notch, let's say you're having that country wedding, I want to show you how to turn these babies into some beautiful, one-of-a-kind, diamond glass wedding boots. This is before the Brunetta Takeover Makeover. Now let's get started. All right, babes, let's make these boots beautiful again. Bootiful. You get it? Yeah. So I've scraped off most of the glitter. Yes. Now we are about to jazz them up and make them better. This is what they are gonna look like, babes. Look at that. Look at what we're going for. We're gonna be using glitter and crushed glass on our coral boots. So let's get to it. You're gonna need some amazing glitter. You need a good glitter, not a cheap glitter. I am using the Heidi Swapp Marquee Love glitter in silver. Yes. And we are using the Ashland crushed glass in silver and white. Yes, babes. These are going to make your boots just a little bit heavier, but not too heavy. We're not going to like palette on, but we are going to make it look amazing. All right, so I got some crushed glass right here. Yes. I got to get some of this red glitter out of there. I accidentally was scraping my boots near the red glitter, but we're gonna get that out of there. And this is how we're gonna transform these beautiful boots. All right, and you're gonna need some Mod Podge. All right, so first, I am going to put a layer of Mod Podge in the places where I want the glitter, of course. And you want to get that in there just like so. And we're going to put the glitter and the glass right in there. Now this is going to be silver, so I'm going to put the silver in here. I think I'm going to do Hope y'all can see this still. Are they still in the frame? All right. Now this is going to be a little tedious, but babes, come on. You are creating a masterpiece here. Masterpieces take time. Okay. And we want it to be thick and Mod Podgey. All right. First, I'm going to add just a little bit of glitter in there. Then I'm going to go right in with my spoon of crushed glass right in that area. And I'm gonna press it. Now, you wanna press it down in there and let it just sit on top and let the pieces just cure into place. Now you might have to go in and put another coat on top, right? So we're gonna sit that in there like so, the little pieces of crushed glass. All right, now we're gonna go on some of that out the way. And we're gonna go to this section. Ooh, these are gonna be so gorgeous. And after I finish this section, I'm gonna let them dry for about an hour or two, and then we're gonna move on to the back. So you wanna make sure you get, I'm putting a thick layer. I wanna start off with a thin layer because then you wanna be able to go back in this section with another thin layer. Don't be hating over there, girl. My daughter hating because
I'm not. I didn't even say anything.
you ain't gotta say anything. I can smell the haterade on your breath.
I'm wearing a mask.
Oh, you wearing a mask?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you are wearing a mask. Why are you wearing a mask?
Because the smell was making my head hurt.
Oh, did you take an aspirin?
No.
Because you decided to put your nose in.
The whole house smells like it. I can't help it. There's no...
I decided to put some air freshener. I like to boil air freshener, guys. I put it on the stove. And, you know, women, hey, we forget about things sometimes. And what had happened was, I had forgot. So you want to put like a thin, thick layer of the glue over there, covering all the spots, because we got to get rid of that red. Now they're going to be beautiful with the silver and the silver crushed glass. And any other red pieces that I see, I'll take them out. So I do want to go in a little bit thick, like so. Okay. And then on the top, we'll end up, ooh, not that much. We'll end up sprinkling some glitter. I just see a little pieces that don't have much glue. And doesn't have to be perfect, but you do want it just a little sprinkle of silver to kind of cover up the red a little bit. Now we're gonna get our spoon and get our crushed glass pieces and put it right over the top and press it just a little bit, not much. And in this crushed glass, I have a little bit of diamonds. Bling, bling, bling. A little diamonds ain't never hurt nobody. Diamonds are forever. And they're gonna be gorgeous, especially if you're getting married.
Can I add some more to the other boot?
Oh, I forgot about this side. Girl, thank you for saying something. And you want to kind of, I got some big chunks in there.
That's good.
But we're going to let it sit. And I see some places. Just pile it on top of there. Even though you don't see it, the glue is there. Pile it on top of there. Oh, I can't pick that up off the floor because I got red glitter on the floor. But remember, the first time is just the first application. After this dries and all your little pieces set in, you're gonna add more pieces. So we're gonna let this dry. We're gonna come back and then we're gonna put on another coat of glue, another coat of glass and glitter. Then we'll work our way to the back, babes. I'll be back. All right, babes, I am back and I am officially done with my babies. Where are my cowboy girls at? Cowboy girls, yeah, my cowboy girls who love the cowboy boots. Why don't they just name them cowgirl boots? I think that would be so much better for us ladies instead of cowboy boots. But to all of my cowgirls out there, these are the finished product of my revamped glass edition of my corals. I got some glitter specks here. I'm gonna have to shake those off, babes. But I have finished them off with the, I think I see a little red there, that little speck there. That's okay. I'm gonna cover that, babes. All you gotta do is cover that with a little Mod Podge and a little glitter. This is my favorite. This stuff is amazing. This is what you see all over the boots. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Look at how gorgeous they are. Now, on the other ones, I never did the front. I had always done the back. Look at the beautiful, beautiful crushed glass on the boots. How gorgeous is that? I'm talking about custom glass coral cowgirl boots. This stuff right here is amazing, babes. The process was tedious. Like, for the sake of the digital world and YouTube, you are so glad that I posted this video because it has been about 4 days, babes. Like, getting this all done, making sure that the glitter was set, making sure everything was right, going back and doing touch-ups, and look what I missed. I missed the spot. So I'm going to put some Mod Podge on there and I'm going to cover up that red. But look at how gorgeous they are. Now they are custom. Nobody has these. Oh, I might put some silver right there to take away the red. I didn't even see that. Nobody has these because these are a one-of-a-kind original Bernetta Madison custom creation. And right now you're watching this on the Craft Square. This is what we do. We create. I got a lot of dusting off to do, babes, but I wanted to bring it to you guys. I was ready to shoot the video. This is the back, the crushed glass with the glitter. I see one spot here. I missed the spot. That's okay. I'm going in with the Mod Podge and the Heidi Swapp Marquee glitter. This stuff is amazing. Now, you can use silver, you can use red, you can use blue. They have some beautiful colors in the Marquee glitter. They have gold. Would be amazing. But look at how gorgeous my babies are now. Look at them. They are so different. My winged crushed glass coral boots, DIY. Look at those babies. I cannot wait until coronavirus is over so I can rock these bad boys. How many of y'all out there are ready to go to Coachella again? I've never been to Coachella, but if I was to go, these would be the babies that I would wear with like some Daisy Dukes and my hair in braids or some dreadlocks, and I would be so fly with like just y'all. I am so free, such a free spirit. These are my free spirit winged babies. Yes, yes, yes. I am covered with the angels. I love these. So these are the finished product of my babies. They are now gorgeous and silver. No more red. Beautifully done with crushed glass on the front and on the back. I love them. Crushed glass on the back, babes, and glitter. How gorgeous is that? Oh my goodness. To all of you babes out there with your coral boots, and you got these right here with the hearts and the wings, I want you to get creative and try this yourself with the crushed glass. These are my new babies. Finally finished. This is Bernetta Madison right here on the Craft Square. Go ahead and create something amazing today like I did. I love to craft, and my new favorite, crushed glass. Bye, babes.